Welcome back to Future Phone Flash, where we spotlight tomorrow's tech today. In this episode, we dive into the latest leaks from Panda Flash about Samsung's upcoming flagship, the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Design evolution. Samsung is rumored to be stepping up its game with the Galaxy S25 Ultra, introducing 4 innovative design prototypes. These tweaks may seem small but are crucial advancements from the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Let's break down what these changes could mean for Samsung enthusiasts. Closer look at prototypes. First up, we have a prototype with even thinner bezels than its predecessor, enhancing the sleek look. Another model features a flat frame, reducing the bezel bulk for a more refined appearance. The third prototype sports slimmer sides, and the fourth boasts a sleek, rounded finish. Each design emphasizes Samsung's commitment to pushing boundaries. Analyzing the leaks. These leaks from Panda Flash ignite excitement and a bit of skepticism. Are these subtle enhancements what we can expect from the S25 series? We'll discuss the reliability of these rumors and what they might mean for the future of Samsung's design strategy. Conclusion. That's the latest on the Galaxy S25 Ultra's potential new looks. What do you think of these design speculations? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you like what you see, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Future Phone Flash, and ring the bell for more tech updates. Until next time, peace out.